Oh, it's back. All right, cool. Now it isn't leaning sideways. All right, so now today I'm gonna bring the Cedric back here, and I'm gonna head to Winona and do some more video. And let's see why I'm going. And because I wasn't thinking about what I was talking. You know what I'm talking about. But probably do that, some more video stuff to wrap up the season a little bit, because I get a chance to borrow one of my friends and stuff. And usually I don't bug people to do like videos and stuff like that, but I'm gonna bug them today and get some stuff done. And I'm not sure if I'll wrap up a lot of the big videos and stuff like that. It'll just be me for the most part. This one will have me. I'll probably go do some stuff around, you know, let's probably do some I'm trying to think about it. What was I gonna do here? Oh, wash the car, take some photos on some good fall spots. Might take it to the lake and do some stuff like lakeside, like by the lake, by some water and stuff like that. And then I don't know, kind of give it some beauty shots. Yesterday I did some like some beauty. Well, I don't know if they're kind of sad beauty shots. I use my camera, my Canon. I'm not a photographer, I'll tell you that. My best work comes on the iPhone and the Google Pixel. I had the damn Canon out there. I don't even know if the lens on there was even decent. But then I seen someone catch me in traffic and took a picture of me that was better than all the pictures I took. That's why you know I'm an amateur. So I'm gonna bring a cloth, and I'm gonna get some stuff done with the cloth and stuff like that. And as far as see if I can clean the lens off and make it better. Other than that, I'm sitting there thinking like those pictures were kind of boo boo yesterday. It kind of sucked. It's kind of you know, it sucked because I seen the quality of his picture, and I know he was using a decent lens on it. I seen the size of the lens on there. I don't think I have a lens like that. If I do, it probably it goes to an older camera. This is a Canon. Which one is it? It's a Rebel. I forgot, T something. I don't know, but it wasn't doing what I was supposed to do, or I wasn't doing what I was supposed to do with the Rebel, because I don't know, my pictures had like sun glare, sunspots in the background, so it was kind of like, I gave it a shot, man. I didn't go to photography school. You know, I'm not really good with any of that stuff, but gave it a shot. They're alright. If you follow me on Instagram, you should see the pictures. Right now, I'm gonna drive and wrap this up. I don't want to be one of those weird distracted drivers with a GoPro in my hand. I could have just put the mount and just drove with it inside the car and have it facing me just to talk the whole time, which I might do. I might grab it on my way back, because I gotta go pick the Cedric up and bring it back. I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. My allergies are kicking my butt. So, that's how I parked yesterday. Like a jackass. I don't even know why I didn't notice it was at this angle. And I left the door open. I was on one. I think I just wanted to bail out the car at that time. Oh, I'll put that on later. That's the rubber piece I was telling you about. Well, I don't know if I was telling you guys about it. I think it was more on Instagram. This rubber piece to stop some of that license plate rattling. That was on the Lexus. Seeing as I don't have the Lexus anymore, it does not matter. I'll get this bad boy out of here. Yeah, I think I scrapped the first video. So this will be the first video. I'm gonna take this car and go shooting. A little content. Wash it up today. Wash with some content. Let's see, what else will I do today? This GoPro's probably pissed at me. I got the new, I did some new features for it. You have to let me know if the video's right. I started them up, but I haven't looked at the ones I recorded recently, so it should tell me if this is the, when I opened the box, I just went into it. I didn't look online to see what is a good setting for the GoPro or nothing. I was like, that thing's still doing it. Yeah, I gotta call them back and tell them it's still, I don't know how long you wait to let a belt settle, but it's still doing it. It's doing it worse than it was before, so we'll see what's up. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. I helped my man move this morning. I gotta help you guys out when you can. It's Sunday, so you gotta be a service to other people. What the fuck is that? Ah, one of them beetles. They look like ladybugs. Ladybugs. I don't know what they are, but yeah, I was of service to someone else this morning. I got to help him move. He's good. now I gotta get to back to what I was gonna do is do this content. Yeah, it feels good to help other people out, man. Like, at least help some of your friends out in life. It make you feel good. But let me get to this drive I have. I'm going to Winona. It's probably about a 30-minute drive. So I'll put the Cedric on the road. I haven't put it on the road in a while for like a distance since the belt. Well, this will be the first time since the belts were changed. So we'll see how this thing acts. Hopefully I don't need a tow back. You know, it could go on the tow. I just hate that it's so low that I hate when they want to tow stuff. I was like, the car is low. Like, don't mess my damn car up. I don't know. And I can't take the bumpers off like some of those drift dudes and those guys who are super duper low. So we'll see. Other than that, I'll holler at y'all. Oh, my neck feels like popcorn popping, boy. That car accent still messing me up. I'll holler at y'all. Y'all. Let's get the extra footage and shit. What's that? Like 6 minutes? Oh, hell no. I need more than that. What are you talking about? There you go, 8 minutes. I'm gonna need those. Something like that. Yeah. What are you doing? Pre-soap? I don't even know that. I guess I'll come and wash my car. I'll be out there. Pulling up. And running through, I'll be seeing Hellcat running through the standard. I was like, what y'all doing? What are y'all doing? And stop using the brush on the car. That's basically like using bowl towels and hand wash towels in your bathroom to wipe your face and your butt. Stop doing that to your car. People come there, I'll be looking at them using brushes, like, you know what a brush is being now? Somebody breaking in the truck? Ooh. I'm gonna keep on coming for us.
Brother Sam.
So, what's going on over here, guys? Not a goddamn. I did bring my tire cleaner, but I ain't gonna use that shit. You said this place usually busy?
Yeah.
This way you bring your truck? Well, actually, I'm lying because you don't ever wash it. My bad.
I brought it over here a couple of times just because it had way too much bug juice on the windshield. I had to get rid of that.
Oh. I was like, he would never wash that one. I have to ask. I was like, what do you think about that? You know what I'm talking about.
That would be gross.
He would never wash that.
When you get too much bug juice on the windshield and I can't see through it, I do.
Yeah, man, because it's still, I thought it'd be done by now, but yeah, it's still heavy.
Yeah.
So on the way back, I'm planning to take pictures of it. When I get back, still gonna have bug juice on it.
Oh yeah, you is. Especially if you wait for the sun to go down.
Oh yeah. They gonna decorate it. Just watch those people how they put it on there. It takes a lot of work. Woo! Okay. soap trash. Yeah, I got it. The spot free, which I don't even know what to do a lot. I already got the like that wax ceramic coat stuff on there. They say you can do that a couple times a year. But got about 3 coats on it. You know what I mean? All right. A little extra protection. Oh, I see. I hear you too. I got 57 seconds. Plenty of time, like mission impossible. I got it. Well, this must be the spot. It must be the jumping spot. And I do it in black Air Force One, because you know what it is. A whole lot of like a picture later. I came in with black Air Forces. Might leave with some red ones. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do is take some pictures of it. You can cut for a minute, you can cut. You know what I mean? Go ahead and cut it. Hit the top real quick, right? What y'all want? Y'all want?
To search, to discover, to develop, to broaden man's knowledge of the world he lives in, to make reality of imagination. This is.
Yeah. Let's go. Monster, stepping into a cyclone, wondering who in the hell gonna turn my mic on. This is my intergalactic fight song. Strong arm rappers, I'm on my mic song. Tally up features, I rally up creatures. Workout minds, I bally on teachers. Out past Mars, satellites won't reach us. Solar power machines with cyborg features. A trillion terabytes, got the world on my iPod. They say it's off beat, the way that I nod. A little left field, so they say that I'm odd. In the cosmos, drag racing, my God. Molecular buildup, I am one with my ink. Deep as you can sink, as high as the tallest peak. Further ahead in time than anyone can reach. Telekinetic with it, I don't need speech. Spare the universe with your nonsense. I'm the hardest terrestrial to convince. No makeup needed for this beautiful content. Always fly, boy, you can tell I'm on shit for real. Lyrical beings invading your stereo. Advise you turn your brain waves really low. Survive this onslaught, it will be a miracle. So here we go. Lyrical beings invading your stereo. Advise you turn your brain waves really low. Survive this onslaught, it will be a miracle. So here we go.
Stay super fly like a coon suit in Mario. Who you know rapping that classic Atari flow. Mr. Mega blowing up like the Challenger. Nobody wants to battle something that they cannot caliber. I'm an alien, no sense in carbon dating, cause I'm light years beyond any thought you